Welcome, we are going to talk and enter about frugal science. Science is not just about knowing but also experiencing. Today, with the boon of technology, we have access to information and knowledge which is merely a click away. Science is largely about learning and it majorly comes through experiences. As scientists and innovators, we all are privileged to be curious and we should exploit and share it with people. The major part of the global population, which is poor, has long been excluded from science, technology and its benefits. So it's important how we can make experience of science more accessible to a lot of people around the world. Frugal science, which came out as a philosophy, is now an innovative research field. Frugal science focuses on the development of scientific tools that are far cheaper and more accessible to the general people. Frugal science is designed to generate technology and knowledge with cost as an integral part of the subject. Accessibility is a big challenge. Every time we add an order of magnitude of cost to the product, an order of magnitude of people will not be able to access it. If knowledge is a treasure beyond price, then access to it should also be independent of price. In developing world particularly, there are pressing problems whose solution require relevant science and technology. Given the extraordinary situations we are in currently with COVID, there is dire need for cost-centric, that is frugal solutions for domains across all scientific fields. Frugal science can be considered as an intellectual skeleton based on understanding complexity and considering the economics and originating in the field of need. If we take example of healthcare, with frugal science, the day is not far when we can have devices for point-of-care diagnostic applications in our pocket. The devices which are versatile, robust and cost-effective. We can have diagnostics of deadly infectious diseases in the field, just sitting under a tree without sophisticated instruments and expertise. This can lead to transformation in global healthcare solutions and making it affordable and accessible to most remote parts of the world. Similarly, this philosophy can also be well integrated with other fields. We have plenty problems around us which need to be addressed with simple solutions. We need many frugal scientists for together making this world a better place to dwell.